Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by readying both devices, the LG TV and your phone or laptop. First, make sure the TV supports the matching protocol, Miracast for many Android/Windows devices or AirPlay for Apple devices, and that both are on the same Wi-Fi network. This prevents handshake failures. Once done, open the TV's source menu and select Screen Share or AirPlay so the TV listens for incoming connections. This puts the TV into discoverable mode and starts the pairing phase. You now connect from the source device. Open the cast, screen mirroring, or AirPlay control and pick your LG TV. If a pairing code appears on the TV, enter it on your device or accept the prompt. This secures the link. Make sure to set aspect ratio and resolution on either device so the image fills the screen without distortion. Choose 16:9 if available. If audio lags, toggle Optimize for audio or lower streaming quality to stabilize the connection. To finish, stop mirroring from your device's control center or on the TV by returning to source and selecting Stop Screen Share. This cleanly severs the session. If you experience lag or dropouts, restart the router and both devices, then try the alternate Wi-Fi band. 5 GHz is faster but has shorter range than 4 GHz. If the TV never appears, update the TV firmware and your device's OS. Outdated software is the most common silent blocker for screen mirroring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.